morning or afternoon. Happy Tuesday. Forgot to film my little intro this morning, so I just realized it while I was grinding. Yesterday was a big day, and I didn't get an after, and I'm so bummed because it looked like a before and after. It looked so good. I'm like not trying to be like cocky, but man, it turned out awesome. I'm really excited with it, and the customer was psyched too. So yesterday was rad. So today I had Littleton this morning, front yard pair. Now I'm in Denver doing a touch-up. I couldn't do this one last week for one of my really good customers because I was in the skid steer digging stumps out. So I had a friend come over and do this who's great, and they needed a little bit more done, so I'm just redoing everything just to make sure it's adequate for their big landscape change here. So that's what this is. And then from here I have a bid, I think in Centennial, and then I have another job in Highlands Ranch. And then yesterday was my birthday. I don't really do a lot. You guys don't have to say all that stuff. It's okay, I don't care. But I was in a hurry. My wife and daughter were being so rad, and all I wanted to do was get home. So I was like rushing through the end of my job because it was going a lot later yesterday, and I had to fill up the machine at like 2 or 3, probably 3 o'clock, and I left my transfer tank fuel hose hanging off the side of the truck, knowing I was going to have to fill it up again because I try to keep all my equipment full. But it was getting like, I was rushing, and I was talking to the customer, and I was very distracted, and I left the fuel hose hanging on the side of my truck just enough that it drug on the road, so it wore a hole through the fuel line. So I'm like, man, everything's full, it's fine, I just have to replace the fuel line tonight. But yeah, it was just, yesterday was kind of chaotic. So that's where we're at. I'm going back to work. I'll see you guys in a bit. Look at this weapon. Compact, capable, turns on a dime, aluminum body. Man, is that a good looking truck. Gulster tree out here. I was driving by and saw him, so I gotta go say hey. My buddy Ira's here too. We're sheltered, but the wind is ridiculous. It is just psycho outside. Power's out. It's like kind of off and on, but it was like constant, so I gave up and switched to generator. So it's gonna be a wintry night. Thanks for watching. I'm off tomorrow. Should be back on Thursday, but thanks for watching. Have a good evening. Hopefully you guys have power. I gotta go get more gas. I think the gas station's still open. I have 10-15 gallons, but want to get some more. See you Thursday. Later. It's pretty wild out here.